my favorite students. I hope you're doing well. Obviously, this is Mrs. Robinson here. Hopefully, you know that. Haven't forgotten me completely. Um, I wanted to tell you that I miss you, and I wish we were in our classrooms and doing all of our regular things that we do. Our warm-ups, coming in and talking and doing our day. Please know that I'm available for you. You can email me easily. I'm sitting at my computer, still working, doing lessons here for you. So just email me, message me in the Google messaging in the Google Classroom. And we're going to do some science. We want to use our brains. We want to keep staying up on things. Did you notice we had a first day of spring? We had a vernal equinox on March 19th. I believe that was, yeah, yesterday was the first day of spring. And remember, on that day, the tilt was neither towards nor away from the sun. It was actually perpendicular, so equal day and night for that day, equal day length and night. We're going to finish out our geology a little bit, and then we're going to start a unit of ecology, which is going to be some time for you to get outdoors and view some things, maybe competition between plants, find some food webs. So we'll be doing some of those things over the next week or two. Again, I'm just kind of wanting to touch base with you, make sure everybody's around and doing well, and letting you know how to contact me. We're working out of Google Classroom, as you know, at this point. And I just want to go over a couple of particulars in that. I know a lot of you guys are really good with it, but basically I'm showing you my screen here, and I got to put on my glasses. But we're working in Google Classroom, and many of you, of course, are very good at working in Google Classroom. Some of us are better than others. I actually am going to be on a big learning curve, so just a heads up. So when you're in Google Classroom and you're likely using your phones, you need to always pay attention to the category choice of classwork up here. We're not going to be doing the stream, so I want you to always make sure you're in classwork. That's where I'm going to be posting our learning for by week. So next week will be week 1. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Make sure you know what's there. It's not going to be a bunch of big, horrible, long stuff, guys. It's just short, engaging science, little readings or Google Forms. Short, like 2 lessons for next week. That's it. 2 lessons, 20 minutes max. You've got the whole week to do it. Piece of cake. So look right here on the topics. I'm going to circle that over here on the side. Remember, you're in the classwork mode. And then over here it says week 1, March 23rd through the 27th. That's our upcoming week. And then when you're there, you'll see a video, which is this video you're watching. And then there's lesson 1, part A, lesson 1, part B. And that's 20 minutes. It's a little reading over plate tectonics that you'll do as a STEMscopedia. And then there is a Google form to match. So as I click through this, so a Google form to match. When you're doing the Google Forms, guys, please make sure you always do the submit, so you get credit for your efforts down at the bottom. Submit. Also, in the assignment mode, make sure you're clicking that you've turned in things, that you've read this, because it shows up that you've done it. So I need to make sure that that's all happening. So please make sure you're doing those things. And again, it's short, it's painless. 2 lessons next week over, a little bit of geology and a little bit of ecology. And we're going to try to kind of keep our brains strong and our hearts strong. And I still want to do birthdays, by the way. So I'm going to check my list and see who's got some words of wisdom, and I'll need to hear those from you, and I'll put them in our class doc, Google Doc, to share. So we're going to still try to do some of those things that we do that help keep us together. Let me see if my dog will come say hi to you. Hey, Raleigh, come here, puppy. Come here, dog. Raleigh. She probably won't come. So anyway, Google Classroom information will be posted for you guys on Monday morning, and includes this video. Come here, Raleigh. Come here. She's afraid. So anyway, I just wanted you to see her. Come here. Come see me. Up here. Come here. Come here. All the way. All right. She's not going to come. Anyway, come up here. Come here. No. All right. Come here. Don't you hate? Oh, where'd she go? There we are. Okay. There's my dog. My kids are too big to hold in my lap anymore, so I have to hold my dog. Anyway, there she is. Choking her practically. All right, guys. That's it. Take it easy, and I'll be in touch. You know where to find me. I really miss you, and I hope you're doing well. Take care, guys.